It is really important for people to eat well, to have the habit of eating the wide varieties of fruits and vegetables every single day.
But no matter how hard we try, we are unable to consistently get in the recommended amounts of fruits and vegetables on a daily basis.
A variety of fruits and vegetables provides you with all these, antioxidants and phytonutrients that do so much.
Phytonutrients, they are the nutrients in fruits and vegetables that fight disease. They are immune boosters.
An apple, for example, has thousands of nutrients. It has vitamin C. It stands to reason and makes logical sense that that whole apple itself with all those nutrients are probably going to do you much better than that individual vitamin C by itself. And that's why you always hear that if you consume more fruits and vegetables, you decrease the incidence of heart disease and stroke.
I think all conditions are helped by good nutrition.
And if you go and look at the recommendations of the American Cancer Society, the National Institute of Health, you look at the food pyramid, they talk about the importance of fruits and vegetables.
The human physiology absolutely needs phytonutrients and antioxidants, and the only source for them is fruits and vegetables.
I still remember the day I heard about Juice Plus. I was sitting in my kitchen looking at this brochure, and at the time I was juicing in an attempt to increase my own nutrition. And I thought, wow, somebody's done it with food. How brilliant. I should have thought of this. I immediately got it right away.
We don't have a vitamin deficiency. What we're lacking is whole food nutrition.
Everyone that I know does not eat enough fruits and vegetables every day.
If you can achieve 7 to 13 servings of fruits and vegetables a day of all different types, great. Most of us can't, and that's where Juice Plus really comes in.
Juice Plus doesn't claim to prevent disease, but obviously, with respect to the physiological differences that occur when you take Juice Plus, it makes sense, theoretic sense, that this could help you.
The body has this beautiful programming that knows how to heal itself if it's given the right food and environment.
And I tell my patients, you can't feel prevention and you can't feel deterioration in your body until something breaks or something begins to hurt. So intellectually, I try to get the patients to understand how much good Juice Plus can do for their systems.
Patients in my practice are always asking me, Doctor, what should I take? There are thousands of these supplements being marketed all the time. I say, make it very simple. Show me the science. Is there science behind this product that shows that, first of all, gets into the bloodstream? Check. When it gets into the bloodstream, does it do good things for the body? Check. If that supplement passes that double test, then take it. Juice Plus passes the test.
It provides all that micronutrition, the phytonutrients. The scientists believe that there's over 25,000 phytonutrients, so we're talking about antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, enzymes. All these things are actually missing in our diet today. That is where Juice Plus fills in the gaps.
Our bodies are oxygen-burning machines. Every minute, countless biochemical reactions throughout the body generate thousands of particles of exhaust. These are called oxidants, or free radicals. Trillions of times a day, free radicals hit our tissues like a steady rainfall, rusting away our cells. To help you better understand this biological rusting, or oxidation, picture a fresh, crisp apple. Inside that apple, there are both oxidants and antioxidants. Over time, the oxidants outnumber the antioxidants. The apple gets softer, browner, and more wrinkled. The apple ages. If you cut a fresh apple in half and pour lemon juice, an antioxidant, on one half, within a few hours the lemon juice protected half still looks good, or shall we say, younger. In contrast, the unprotected half looks brown and definitely older. It oxidized or rusted.
And what we see with Juice Plus, that's whole food-based nutrition, it's actually giving us the antioxidants, and it's showing us that it's reducing the DNA damage, reducing the oxidative stress.
People need fruits and vegetables. They can't eat enough, and they can take Juice Plus on a regular basis and bridge the gap between what they should eat and what they do eat.
It is a wonderful product that allows people to just have so many more nutrients than they would get from a vitamin pill.
And also it has the wide variety of fruits and vegetables. We can't just have one great antioxidant to say we're really taking care of our bodies in a preventative way. So it has the spectrum, all the different wonderful rich colors of fruits and vegetables, and that makes a big difference.
I think what most people say is, how can you get all those fruits and vegetables in a capsule? And the reason is, you know, you and I are 70% water. At the end, you can put us in a little jar. And fruits and vegetables are 90% water. You take out the water and most of the fiber, and what do you have left? You've got phytonutrients and antioxidants. They're in a powder, you can put them in a capsule.
The leap of faith for people is they try to imagine, how could I have done this in my kitchen? And well, if you look at the technology, it's not something you can do in your kitchen. But it is actually technology that's been perfected over the last 60 years or so. Biochemists have been using this technology for a long time. And so it's just been perfected to create the proprietary process that goes into making Juice Plus.
I like to look at Juice Plus as a salad bar in a capsule, because in fact it is whole food based nutrition. And so once I understood that it was in fact a food with a nutrition label and not a supplement with a supplement or vitamin label, I was totally amazed.
It's not a dietary supplement, it's concentrated food. Carries a nutrition label, not a supplement label. More importantly, and the reason so many healthcare professionals are involved, is Juice Plus is backed by research.
When you walk down a health food aisle and you see all those supplements, you can't just believe on blind faith what's on the label is inside the product. Whereas Juice Plus has been independently studied now all over the world.
The thing that impresses me about Juice Plus is that the research has been done at major health science centers by outstanding scientists.
And the research is gold standard research, double-blind, peer-reviewed research.
You can't buy your way into those journals.
Those are the kinds of studies that give credibility to the medical community. And that's what I think, again, separates Juice Plus from other products that are out there.
There is no product out there that's researched like Juice Plus.
Here is a natural way to improve your health markers that has been clinically tested. This is history in the making.
Once I started recommending Juice Plus in my practice, mothers would come in and say, "You know what, Dr. Bill? Since I've had my child on Juice Plus, he eats more fruits and vegetables." I thought, wow, what a great observation. And the Children's Health Study found that too.
The Children's Health Study is one of my favorite programs because it does affect the health of our children.
Some of the findings have shown that children that are taking Juice Plus are more aware of their health, that they are actually eating more fruits and vegetables and drinking more water.
The children seem to have less doctor visits, they seem to take less medication, they seem to do better academically, and also seem to do better on the athletic field. I don't know what you could ask for more than that. Okay?
And when you get that nutrition into a child early, in those early developmental years, it is going to affect everything from brain function to physical fitness. I'm the mother of 2 children, and I have 2 incredibly healthy kids, and I'm so grateful that they've had Juice Plus all their life.
To have them make better food choices that hopefully will carry through into their adult lives, and they will also share with their children. So hopefully we can turn around this epidemic of unhealthy children in America. What a commitment by this company in terms of looking at our children's health and trying to make a difference in our children's health with Juice Plus.
Well, once I understood the value of good nutrition and the fact that Juice Plus helped bridge that gap, I was able to then tell patients that there was a way for them to get better nutrition.
And the cost of it is so low that it's affordable to basically everyone.
What you're doing for your patients is recommending to them something they need desperately, and that's backed by science.
And it's doable, affordable, so people comply. It's easy to comply.
People will ask me if I take Juice Plus, do I still need to eat fruits and vegetables? And I say yes, and you're going to want to eat more. We don't eat variety. We don't eat consistently 7 to 13 servings a day. And so this is a way to put in what I call gap insurance.
I saw hundreds of patients improve with their periodontal condition. A lot of these were gingivitis patients who improved. They were coming back and they were not bleeding every time they would brush. And we saw this happen over and over and over again with our patients.
When I started on Juice Plus, let's say it was 15 years ago, so I was in my late 50s, and I was getting old and frumpy, and I feel so much different now. It's just a wonderful, wonderful feeling physically, but also intellectually, to know I'm doing so much for myself.
Juice Plus gives you a way to assure that you're getting the best of the best in terms of fruits and vegetables on a daily basis.
So Juice Plus is the next best thing to fruits and vegetables.
If you're interested in maintaining good health, take Juice Plus.